Hi, this is David McCann for Elementor 360. Welcome to another 360 tutorial. In this video, I want to look at using Elementor together with Gutenberg. Gutenberg is the new block editor that was added to WordPress core in version 5. At first glance, people may wonder, if I have Elementor, then why would I ever want to use Gutenberg? Or the other way around, people might wonder, if I have Gutenberg, do I even need Elementor anymore? The truth of the matter is that Gutenberg is designed for creating long text content, and page builders are not. For example, here's a page in the Elementor editor, and normally if you were going to add text, you would drag in the text widget and start typing. Can you imagine creating a several thousand word post in this little box here, or this here? On the other hand, while Gutenberg makes it easy to add text content, Gutenberg itself doesn't really have many layout options. There are columns, and that's about it. Although you could create a landing page in Gutenberg, there aren't really marketing features like an email sign-up form. Layout control, design elements, marketing features, and interactive content are all areas where Elementor excels. So even though they are both block-based editors, they are very different, each with their own strengths. The team behind Elementor realized that you could bring a lot of the Elementor features into Gutenberg, and they created a free plugin that does just that. It allows you to save sections in Elementor as a template and use them as blocks in Gutenberg. To illustrate, I've created a demo site for a fictional birdwatchers group. Here's some pages created with Elementor. Here's a home page where we have a background video and a call to action. Here's a row for team members, some testimonials, and a contact us row. Here's a landing page to get people to sign up for their email newsletter. You notice here we have an email sign-up form created with Elementor. Here's a page promoting the organization's Bird ID course with an embedded form for signing into the website. And they have a little interactive game to see if you can identify the birds in the pictures using Elementor flip boxes. Finally, here's a landing page for an upcoming trip to a wildlife refuge. Notice that they've used a Google Map widget. So the group went on the trip and they want to write a blog post now about their experiences. But they also want to use the post to promote the organization and get people to sign up. Using the Elementor Blocks for Gutenberg plugin will allow them to do so without having to recreate all of these marketing elements. I've got Elementor, Elementor Pro, and Elementor Blocks for Gutenberg installed. You'll need Elementor Pro because it's required for saving sections as templates. Saving a section as a template is very easy. For example, let's just edit this page in Elementor. Just right-click on the section, click Save as Template, and then give it a name. And here you see the templates that have been saved in the Elementor library. Now let's go edit a post. So let's say that we want to add the map that we just saved as a template. With the Elementor Blocks for Gutenberg plugin active, we get a new block called Elementor Library. We can add that and select our template that we just saved. And there's the map. Let's save that and I'll show you the other templates that we added. Here's the Google Map. Here's the interactive Bird ID challenge created with flip boxes. And here's an email sign-up form. Gutenberg out of the box doesn't have a Google Map widget, a flipbox quiz block, or an email sign-up form. But these are common features in Elementor. So I just wanted to show you how easy it was to use Elementor together with Gutenberg. It isn't a matter of either or. You can take advantage of the strengths of both. Hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.